want to chat to you really quickly today about how to pick your size for a bangle bracelet. I make bangle bracelets, custom order. I will make them as big as you ask me to make them. The reason I do this is because I like them, but also because I have really big hands, and so I literally can't buy them in the store and be able to get them on over my hand. But I've had some instances of people buying bracelets and not getting the right size. So let me help you get the right size. Here we go. You need a ruler and your hand. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to turn your hand over and you're going to measure across your knuckles. So mine, as you can see, we'll come back to this, right about 3 inches. So the reason you measure across that area is because when you're putting on a bangle, this is your widest part. But if you're like me, you curve your hand in. So that's important to remember because this happens to be my bangle, obviously. When I take that 3-inch measurement that you tell me that I ask for in your listing, I then take a little bit off. So you can say this bracelet's about 2 3/4 inches. The reason I do that is because you want a bangle, I'm going to put 2 on, to be tight so that they stay on. Because if they are too big, they slide on easily. That means they do that. Lost bracelet. Bad thing. So that is how you buy a bangle. To review, ruler, cross your 4 fingers, tell me that number, 3 inches, and let me do the math. Don't round for me. Don't cut it off. Just give me 3 inches and I'll figure it out for you. All right? That's how you do it.